So here's what I'm going to do. I am going to take a glass and some alcohol, and we're going to see if I can get this ink out. So I'm just going to put I can't really put it over the glass fully because, it's double coated. Here's my 91% alcohol. This is my glass. And there's the ink. So you can see it. And we're just going to see if this works. And it's supposed to pull the ink down. I also had a couple of cotton balls. What'd I do with them? I brought them in here. I saw myself bring it in here. What did I do? Oh, here they are. Cotton swabs. So I'm just going to dab it and see if that will help remove. Oh, it's coming out, y'all. I hope I can get this out because I love this bag. And it's not that I won't carry it because I know that she's still a good bag even with the stain, but I just have to take all the dirt off. If I get anything pre-loved, I'm really OCD, y'all. I get the corners, I get in the nooks and crannies. Like, see that? This is the corner of the bag. I pull all of that out. Usually there's just some dust or something in there, but I don't know what home. Look at this, I'm getting on my nails. But that's okay. I don't know what home this stuff is coming from. So, a lot of times we get stuff from the internet. I try to look at the pictures really carefully, and normally I get really good bags, but if I'm getting a bag for a really good deal, I just say I'm just going to pay the price and clean her up when I get her. And she wasn't that dirty. It was just the ink stains because the outside of the bag was fine. But see how it's coming out? This is all full. I'm going to have to go get some more cotton balls. Alright, I'll come back and let y'all see. Again, this is the Camden. This is the inside of the bag. See, the rest of the bag was really pretty clean. I still cleaned it with Persil and got it good, but I wanted to try to get these ink stains off. I know I just repeated myself. But let me try to get this and I'll come right back. Yeah, I gotta go get the kids, but this is another thing that happened. We spilled coffee in one of the suitcases while we were out of town this weekend. And got my good old Persil. Let's see if we can get this coffee up. I got my scrubber. So I gotta get the kids, but I'm just gonna let this sit because this is still a good suitcase. I don't want to throw it away just for a stain, So we just... Okay, you guys, I'm still working on these stains. White. Yeah, see that? All right, you guys. Wait. Okay. So I brought it in here, y'all. Try to get some of the stains. I got this one all the way clean. This one, almost clean. I've been scrubbing like a scrubbing sister. My husband don't even care, y'all. It's so easy to be a man. They don't care about me. Okay, let's see how much I got off. Hold on. Okay, I think I got all the stains off. Now I'm just gonna let this dry. I got it off on both sides of here. And there was a big stain right here. And it's all gone. I always wipe down the suitcases after we come from a trip. That's just normal, but this stain has been bothering me. And it's not even my suitcase, but I cleaned it anyway. So he better be thankful he got a wife like me. I'm just playing, y'all. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye. Yeah, I'm feeling defeated. I did good with the suitcase, but I'm feeling defeated. I can't get this out. It's smeared, and so technically it came out, but now it's just discolored. It's a lot of discoloration. This is the cotton from the cotton swab. And I'm about to give up. We'll see if I give up. I'm going to keep playing with it. But we'll see. I think I'm going to let it dry for a minute because maybe it's too much product in it, too much alcohol in it. And I also mixed some Persil in it, so maybe I shouldn't have done that. So let me let this sit for a second and see. All my nail polish is gone off. That's okay. I was trying to get this clean.